Now, studying the motion of car n, prove that the acceleration of n is minus 1.6 meter per second squared. You are given the time equation, the position time equation of n, and it has a parameter, it has a term which is t squared, which includes t squared. This means that it's either UARM or UDRM. But now checking the coefficient of t squared being negative, this means that it is UDRM. And its general equation is half AT squared plus V0t plus x0. So writing the general equation, x equal half AT squared plus V0t, which means the initial speed, plus x0. Okay, so now you are given x equal minus 0.8 t squared plus 30t. Comparing it, you are supposed to prove that the acceleration of n is minus 1.6 meter per second squared. So you have half a is the coefficient of t squared, and here it's minus 0.8. So equating them, so half a equals minus 0.8, then a is equal to minus 2 times 0.8, which is equal to minus 1.6 meter per second squared. As long as you are given here that the values are given in SI unit. So meter per second squared. Now 2.2, write the expression of the speed time equation. Now for UDRM, V is equal to AT plus V0. So this is part 2.2. V equal AT plus V0. Okay. A is minus 1.6, already proven to be minus 1.6. What about V0? Compare again the general position time equation to the given one. The coefficient of t is V0. The coefficient of t here is 30. So A is 1.6 t, sorry, minus 1.6 t, negative 1.6 t, plus 30. Okay, and you have to write between parentheses in SI unit, because A is substituted in the SI unit and V is substituted in the SI unit. Now verify that n reaches D at t equal 10 seconds. N reaches D, this means that we were given before that xd is equal to 220 meters. So now you are given D, and you have to check whether it reaches it at t equal 10 seconds. Verify. So what shall we do? We shall substitute t equal 10 and xd is equal to 220 in the position time equation of n, and if the equation is true, then it's verified. So we say that in this equation, in this one, okay, let's check, is xd is 220 equal to minus 0.8, and instead of t squared I have to substitute 10 seconds. 10 squared plus 30, 10 into 10. My question, there's a question mark here. We are not sure yet if this is true or not. We are checking if t equal 10 verifies the equation for xd equal to 120. So we keep the question mark until we reach a part that the two sides of the equation are equal to each other. So 2 is 220 equal to minus 0.8 times 10 squared. 10 squared is 100 times 0.8, it is minus 80. Minus 80 plus 300, still a question mark. So yes, we get that 220 equals to 220. So now I can say 220 meter for sure. 220 meter. So now because they are equal, both sides are equal, I write verified.